My name is Engineer Wasiu Oyewale Oyedepo, Principal Initiator, Future Today EduTech Hub, FUTEDO. We engage learners to gamify their educational needs, to aid assimilation with a simple, sustainable, collaborative platform that at a reduced cost. FUTEDO is committed to provide quality learning opportunities of gamified education that strengthens competencies, particularly in STEM and digital literacy, for girls and young women to effectively transition from education to employment. We are presently working in 6 peri-urban communities among low-income families in Lagos State: Owode Ajegunle, Ikorodu, Igbogo, Mowonla, Imota, and Owutu. Our work will help actualize AFDB strategy of lowering the youth unemployment rate to that of adults that will translate to a 10 to 20% increase in African GDP by creating 25 million jobs and equipping 50 million youth by 2025. The commitment of the Lagos State Governor, Mr. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, to establish a strong convergence between technology, economic development, and governance to serve 17.5 million Lagosians are major factors contributing to the problem leading to our solution. We are at present working with over 50 participants from low-income families in 6 peri-urban communities in Lagos State, with a 61% registered female in 1 year. Our trainees have expressed confidence that they are better equipped to assess and create good jobs and entrepreneurial opportunities for themselves. Our overall objective is aimed at the fulfillment of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, UNSDG 4, on equitable education and skills development, UNSDG 5, on gender equality, UNSDG 8, on inclusive growth, productivity, employment, and decent work for all, and UNSDG 1 on ending poverty. To achieve our purpose of improving lives and transforming the African continent, we run Code to Learn classes and boot camp aimed at developing gamified skills for marginalized students in our hub, and also collaborate with community-based organizations such as NSFAT to offer same to their members, most especially girls and young women. We aim to ensure that all our students have an exceptional and distinctive experience while at the learning hub. We engage learners to gamify their educational needs to aid assimilation with a simple, sustainable, collaborative platform at reduced cost through the deployment of gamification technology to turn facts into visible action in the simplest, sustainable, collaborative, and most beautiful way possible to make knowledge acquisition a joy. World Bank reported learning poverty is responsible for inability to read a basic story at the age of 10 for as many as 80% of children in some African countries. FUTEC engages our gamified educational gangs to explore at their own pace the potential of games, new technology to disrupt education for the better, rather than explain using machine learning technology at the classroom level that enhances the technology that enhances the effectiveness of teachers as proposed by the World Bank. This strengthens their competencies, particularly in STEM and digital literacy for girls and young women, to effectively transition from education to employment. FUTEDO innovatively guides students to gamify their educational curriculum needs as an improved variant of the Lagos initiative of Lagos State Government. Our gamified educational gangs examine verified facts that are relevant to market needs by investing in open access resources adapted to local content and curricula as advised by UNESCO. They achieve this in a fun-filled manner through deployment of technology to turn these facts into visible action games in the simplest, suitable, collaborative, and most beautiful way possible to make knowledge education a joy. We take a cohesive, inclusive, and personalized approach to enhance the student experience, one that encompasses all subjects, all modes of learning, all student services, This is an improvement over teaching of coding as a single subject as practiced under the Lagos Initiative of Lagos State. A theory of change follows scientifically sound standard emphasized by educational pioneer Simon Pepet, using comes before understanding. A pre-course survey of participants at our joint camp with our partner NSFA Lagos Zone 1 revealed 91.3% of participants were unable to code using based technology, MIT Scratch. The coding block of MIT Scratch software are designed like Lego bricks and was designed and developed by MIT Media Lab for learning through exploring, experimenting, and thinking. During post-training review, most of students claim that the program has increased their learning time, increased leadership effectively. They also view the program to have positively increased family and community engagement. Peer review of project carried out by another set of our students posted on Teaching with Scratch, a Facebook group by Scratch Ed Team at HGSE, hand us through Facebook badges, visual storyteller, and conversation starter for 3 consecutive months in 2019. Based on the positive report from our collaboration program with NSFA Lagos Zone 1 and all other elements, we are to scale up to reach an estimated 2,500 students nationwide, courtesy of the Office of the National Environment Secretary of the Society in the next 1 year. We are developing joint programs and programs with the University of Maiduguri, Nigeria, in Care Professor Muhammad Dauda, Department of Mechanical Engineering, to enhance our training with 3D robotics, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and others. We plan to implement national Hydratons, targeting 10,000 students in the next 5 years, with a minimum 80% female population. Furthermore, we look forward to forming partners with members of the SOLVE community to scale our solution nationwide. We plan to strengthen at least 12,500 students' competencies, particularly in STEM and digital literacy, for girls and young women to effectively transition from education to employment, and birth gamified robotic gangs (MSME) that are better equipped to access and create good jobs and entrepreneurial opportunities for themselves in 5 years. This will be our contribution to actualize the everyday strategy of lowering the youth unemployment rate to that of adults that will translate to a 10 to 20% increase in African GDP by creating 25 million jobs and equipping 50 million youth by 2025. To achieve this amid the COVID-19 pandemic, we will strengthen our remote training capabilities, empower our presence with 5 alumni with game development enterprise (MSME) under rent-to-own buyer or ARO agreement. We will scale up by appointing them to mentor remotely the next set of students under our joint national project with NSFA. Each alumnus will be guided to mentor 50 students in the next year to achieve a minimum 2,500 students. The first alumni will receive further training in AI, ML, and 3D robotics with special focus on the use of local languages such as Yoruba, Hausa, and Igbo. This will be implemented under our joint national project with the University of Maiduguri and involve enriching our curriculum through international collaboration with organizations like World Bank, WHO, and UNESCO. To reach the goals mentioned above, Prudential seek partnership to mentor and advise product development and strategic planning, support marketing and communication that clearly distribute data, support solution and technology application and deployment that clearly support our goals, build connections to investors and grantors to progress our fundraising strategy. Thank you.